What do we do now? Scare you? Oh. Dad, what do I do? Not too much can do, kid. Let it out. Unless you want to get, stand on your head and drink some water. No?